I made this simple baked potatoes and it was so nice. I enjoyed it with some delicious tuna stew. So I decided to share the recipe with you because I know you are going to love it. Hello, nice to meet you if today is the first time here. This is my cooking channel, and if you are interested in cooking, please can you subscribe because it is one of the best cooking channel. Thank you very much, and I know you are going to subscribe. So I have my potato here. I have peeled off the skin and I'm just cutting them into smaller chunks. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. I do appreciate it. So when making this, you can actually cut it any size that you want, but this is the size that I want to cut my potatoes. You can actually use yam to make this as well, and it is so good. I have tried with the yam too. It was so good. Okay, or the African potato, that one too is very good. So this is the potato that we use for French fries. That is what I am using. Okay, so I'm done cutting everything. I will just pour it in my bowl, then add some chilled water or cold water, but actually this is chilled water that I got from the fridge. So I soaked it in the chilled water for 20 minutes, and now I'm just going to put them in my cooking pot, then we proceed. Thank you very much for being with me till this point, and if you have not subscribed yet, please, what are you waiting for? Can you please smash on the red button and the bell icon? That says all, so that when we upload new videos, you will be updated. So I've added water to it. I'm just going to add some salt. You can just finish baking it, then you add your salt or you sprinkle some salt on it, but I didn't do so. So it will be on fire for about 15 minutes, and we proceed to whatever thing that we want to do. So now our potato is ready after 15 minutes, and I've spread them on my baking pan. So what I will do is that I will just brush them with some oil, then we put it in the oven. You can actually use any oil of your choice. I have not used palm oil before, but you can use any oil of your choice. But in this video, I used olive oil, and it was so good. So I will just put it in the oven, and I'll be with you shortly. It was in the oven for 10 minutes, and this is how it looks. So I will just flip the other side and then add some oil again and put it in the oven for about 10 minutes, and this is how it looks about 10 minutes. Just serve this with some sauce or use your ketchup or barbecue sauce and enjoy this. See, you bite your tongue. It was so delicious. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.